Very good morning to all. This side Gagan Thakral from Krishna Engineering College. Today we will discuss about lecture 3 of web technology. Terminologies used today's lectures are first Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language which is developed by James Gosling in 1995. Operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations, or in other words, we can say that operator which performs operations on operands is known as operators. OOPS, Object-Oriented Programming System. Object-oriented programming is a methodology to design a program using classes and objects. Or in other words, we can say that the programming language which follows the features of object-oriented programming, OOPS, is known as object-oriented programming language. And the features of object-oriented programming are class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, data encapsulation, information hiding, message passing. These are the features of object-oriented programming language. If any programming language follows these features, then that programming language is known as object-oriented programming language. Now we will discuss about introduction to Java. Java is a programming language and also Java is a platform. Platform, any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is known as platform. Since Java has its own runtime environment, that is JRE and API, so it is known as platform. So Java is a high-level programming language as well as Java is a platform. Java is a high-level, robust, secured, and object-oriented programming language, which is developed by James Gosling in 1995. Initially, Java is known as Oak, O-A-K. Oak is also name of a tree. Initially, Java is known as Oak, and after few time, it is known as Java. Java version history. There are many Java versions that have been released. Currently stable release of Java is Java SE8. JDK Alpha and Beta version came in 1995. JDK 1.0 23rd Jan 1996. JDK 1.1 in 97. J2SE 1.2 98. J2SE 1.3 in 2000, J2SE 1.4 in 2002, J2SE 5.0 in 2004, Java SE6 in 2006, Java SE7 in 11, Java SE8 in 14, and there are so many versions or come regularly. Uh, Now we have to discuss where we use Java, or in other words, we can say that what are the applications of Java. Desktop applications such as Acrobat Reader, Media Player, Antivirus are generated with the help of Java programming language. Web applications such as IRCTC code.co.in, Java t-point.com. These kind of websites where security is main concern are generally generated with the help of Java programming language. Java is most secure programming language. Internet banking websites are also generally generated with the help of Java programming language. Enterprise applications such as banking applications are generated with the help of Java. In mobile apps or Android mobile apps are also use Java programming language. Embedded system also use Java programming language. Smart card programming also done with the help of Java programming language. Robotics also, in these days, in robotics we are using high level language, that is Java programming language. We are able to generate games with the help of Java programming language. What are the features of Java programming language? There are so many features which are available with the Java programming language. There are some general features. Now we will discuss that there is given many features of the Java. They are also known as Java buzzwords. The Java features given below are simple and easy to understand. First feature of Java programming language is Java is very simple programming language. Why Java is very simple programming language? When James Gosling developed Java programming language, then he considered that Java must be very simple. For example, when we learn about C and C++ language, then there are concepts of pointers, which is very tough to understand. James Gosling removed pointers concept from Java programming language and try to make it very simple. Another operator overloading in C++ is very complex concept which is very tough to understand. James Gosling removed object operator overloading from the Java programming language. That's why James Gosling tried to make Java programming language very simple and remove all the complex concepts which are available in C and C++ programming language. So we can say that Java is very simple programming language. Java is object-oriented programming language. Java follows features of object-oriented programming language. Java works with the help of object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, data encapsulation, information hiding, data binding, message passing. These all are concepts used in Java programming language. That's why Java is object-oriented programming language. Java is platform independent language. In Java, there is bytecode is generated before the execution of Java program, and this bytecode can be executed on any operating system. And that's why Java is platform independent language. Java is secured language because Java generates intermediate code, bytecode, which is not readable by human beings. That's why Java is very secure language. Java is robust language. Java is architecture neutral. That means we can run Java in any platform. That's why Java is architecture neutral. Mm, Java is portable. We can execute Java program in any operating system from one machine to another machine very easily. That's why Java is portable language. Java is dynamic. We are able to pass runtime values in Java with the help of Java program. That's why Java is dynamic programming language, and we are able to change in programming with the help of runtime. So Java, this makes Java as dynamic. Uh, we use beans or JRE in Java, Java beans, which are the executable files, and these executable files are have the properties to change the features or properties at runtime. That's why Java is dynamic programming language. Java is compiled as well as interpreted language. Java is single language which uses compiler as well as interpreter. First of all, Java source code is converted into bytecode with the help of Java compiler. Then Java compiler converts. Then Java interpreter read these class file and generates output of the Java program. And another feature of Java is high performance. Java provides high performance. Java is multi-threaded program. Multi-threaded is that Java program is divided into small threads, and these threads are executing simultaneously. That's why it is known as multi-threaded program. Java is distributed programming language, and Java concepts. Object-oriented programming is a that provides many concepts such as inheritance, data binding, polymorphism, object, class, encapsulation, data abstraction. These are the Features of object-oriented programming language. Uh, Simula is considered as first object-oriented programming language, the programming paradigm where everything is represented as an object is known as truly object-oriented programming language, and Java is truly object-oriented programming language. Smalltalk is considered as first truly object-oriented programming language. Object means a real world entity such as pen, chair, table, uh, or in other words, we can say that any entity which exists in this world is known as object. Or when we combine these objects into a single unit, then it is known as class. Class is a collection of objects on the basis of common properties. We can say that object which exists in this world is known as object, and class is the combination of objects on the basis of some common properties. Then it is known as class. For example, if we say that there are some students which are in third year and they are reading some common subjects, they are studying some common subjects. On the basis of these common properties, we put together these students into a single unit, that is IT third year. IT third year class is generated on the basis of some properties of students which are reading same subjects. So students are the object, and when we combine these objects into a single unit on the basis of their subjects, then it is known as class. So I think now there should be no doubt between object and class. Object-oriented programming is a methodology or to design a program using classes and objects. It simplifies the software development and maintenance, providing some concepts that these concepts are which exist in real world, and class is the combination of objects on the basis of some common properties. Inheritance means we are extending the properties of one class into another class. Polymorphism means more than one form. Abstraction means hiding information which is not necessary for the user. Encapsulation means wrapping up of data into a single unit, that is class, is known as encapsulation. Advantage of object-oriented programming over procedure-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming makes development and maintenance easier, whereas in procedure-oriented programming language, it is not easy to manage if code grows as project size grows. Or in other words, we can say that maintenance is very tough in the case of large projects in procedure oriented programming language, but maintenance is easy for large projects in object oriented programming system. Object-oriented programming system provides data hiding, whereas in procedure-oriented programming language, a global data can be accessed from anywhere. Object-oriented programming system provides ability to simulate real-world event much more effectively. We can provide the solution of real world problems if we are using the object oriented programming language. So we can say that object oriented programming language deals with real world problems very efficiently. Now we will discuss about Java operators. Java provides a rich set of operators to manipulate variables. We can divide all the Java operators into the following groups. First is arithmetic operators, second is relational operators, third is bitwise operators, fourth is logical operators, fifth is assignment operators, and next is miscellaneous operators. The arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are the simple operators which performs operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. Here in this slide, I will show the example of addition. Arithmetic operators are very similar to C and C++ operators. Java arithmetic operators are very similar to C and C++ arithmetic operators. First operator is plus arithmetic operator, that is used to perform summation. If we consider we have two variables A and B and the values are given, then we perform addition, then it will provide us as a output sum of two variables. Then subtraction, subtract right hand operand from the left hand operand, then it will perform subtraction operation. If we consider A is 20, B is 10, then A minus B will provide us 10. Multiplication, it multiply both the operands and provide us as a output as a result A into B, 20 into 10, which is 200, division B divided by A, 20 divided by 10, which gives us 2, and modulus, it will provide us remainder 20 mod 10. So if we say that 10 mod 10, it will give 0. If we say 20 mod 10, then it will also give remainder 0. If we say 21 modulus 10, 21 modulus 10, then there is remainder 1, then output is 1. Increment, double plus symbol is used as increment. B plus plus gives us 21, B minus minus gives us 19. Plus 1 and minus 1 is performed with the help of plus plus and minus minus. Next is relational operator. Relational operator is also used as a comparison, named as comparison operator. It finds the relation between two operands. Double equal to is used to compare the values. If A double equal to B is A and B are equal, then it will give true. And if both are not equal, then it will provide us false. A not equal to B is second operator. A not equal to B is true. If B is 20, A is 10. A is greater than B, then A is less than B, A greater than equal to B, A less than equal to B. Now what we have to do, we are comparing two values with the help of these relational operators. We have to find out relation between two operators. These are known as relational operators. Now most important operators, generally in gate there are one or two question asked from bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are special operators which are used to perform operations by converting data into bits initially, then it will perform operation. When we want to perform bitwise AND operator, then A is converted into binary form and then B is converted into binary form. Then in both the binary forms, AND operation is performed when both are 0, then 0, 1, 0, and 1, then 0. When both are 1, then it will provide only 1. So this AND operation is performed on the binary values. And finally, these binary values is converted into decimal values. Bitwise OR operator, it also convert value of A into binary form, value of B into binary form, then it will perform OR operation, and finally it will convert output as in the form of decimal. XOR, exclusive OR operation, is performed. Tilt A means note of A. This is generally performed with the help of 2's complement. Then there is left shift operator and right shift operator. In these both operators, the bits are shifted either in the left direction or in the right direction. When we are using left shift operator, then bits are shifted in the left side. When we are using right shift operator, then bits are shifted in the right side direction. And if we are shifting 2 bits, then it will shift two bits. if we are shifting 3 bits, then it will shift 3 bits. So this is done with the help of by shifting either in the left side or right side. Choice is depend on the which kind of operator we are using, left shift or right shift. Next is logical operators. Logical operators are AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. These operators perform operation on decimal values. Non-zero values are considered as 1 and 0 is considered as 0, and it will perform general AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation on the operands. The assignment operator. Assignment operator is also known as shorthand operators. If we use single equal to, then it will assign the value of one variable into another variable. If we write C is equal to A plus B, first of all, it will perform A plus B, and the value of A plus B is assigned to the C. Plus equal to, it will perform C plus equal to A means C is equal to C plus A. Minus equal to C minus equal to A means C is equal to C minus A. C into equal to A is equal to C is equal to C into A. C divided by equal to A means C is equal to C by A. C modulus equal to A means C is equal to C mod A. This is also known as shorthand operators. Now we will discuss about conditional operators. Conditional operators are the simple operators which performs if else operation. For example, this is very simple program to perform conditional operator in Java programming language. First of all, we create a class. In Java, each and everything is done with the help of class. Without class, it is not possible to print a single statement. Public class test, then we require a main method. In Java, main method is written in this syntax: public static void main string args, and then int a b, a is equal to 10. Here we declare two variables and initialize a with value 10, and then we write a equal to 1 question mark 20 colon 30, which assigned to B. Now the value of A is equal to 10. 10 equal to 1 means 10 A is equal to 10. 10 equal 1, which means false. If the condition is false, then it will return second value 30. If the condition is true, then it will return first value. Now in this case, the value of B is 30, and the value of B is printed by the system is 30. In next case, again, now we test A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10, 10 equal to 10, condition is true, and this will print 20. The first output will be 30 and second output will be 20 of this program, and this is known as conditional operator. Now we will discuss precedence of Java operator. Operator precedence determines the grouping of the terms in an expression. This affects how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, the multiplication operator has higher precedence than the addition operator. For example, x is equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. It will give us value as 13. Initially, it will do multiplication 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. It will not provide us 20, 7 plus 3, 10 into 2, 20. This is wrong. Initially, higher precedence is given to the multiplication. Initially, multiplication is done, then addition done. So the output is generated by this equation is 13. And this is the table which provides us precedence, postfix, unary operators, multiplicative, additive, shift operator, relational, bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, and associativity also provides which operator is executed from left to right or left to right or right to left, and it is mandatory to remember this table for all of us to perform operations perfectly. Now we will discuss about some multiple choice question. Which of the following option leads to the probability and security of Java? Bytecode is executed by the JV and Java Virtual Machine JVM. The applet makes the Java code secure and portable. Use of exception handling, dynamic binding between the objects. Answer is A. Bytecode is executed by the Java virtual machine. As earlier I mentioned that Java generates bytecode. Bytecode is not readable by human beings, and that's why bytecode make Java more secure language, and bytecode provide portability. Bytecode can be executed on any operating system. So it will provide us portability and security. Which of the following is not a feature of Java programming language? Java is dynamic programming language. Java is architecture neutral programming language. Java uses of pointers, or Java is object oriented programming language. As we all know that Java is dynamic programming language, architecture neutral language, and Java uh, is object oriented programming language. That's why the answer is use of pointers is not allowed in Java programming language. As earlier I mentioned, James Gosling tried to make Java very simple language, and removes the concept of pointer, which is complex concept, and removes the pointer concept from Java programming language. So the answer is C, uses of pointers. Dash is used to fix and used to find and fix bugs in the Java programs. Java virtual machine, JRE, Java runtime environment, Java development kit, JDK, Java development kit, JDB, Java debugger. So the answer is Java debugger, D. Java debugger is used to find and fix bugs in the Java programs. Platform independency means application are executed on all platforms. Application don't have any dependency on the OS. Application don't have any dependency on the processor. So the answer is B. Applications don't have any dependency on the OS. Thank you for listening.